now. The big downhill. With Rudy and Dave are ahead of me, so shit, a brick. Oh. Jesus Christ. Fuck me. Can't push too hard, my hip won't let me. Apart from this is bloody fast descent. Far out. Fucking hell. Too hot. This frickin' stupid jacket on. I don't think I'll be catching him. There they are, waiting for me. Jesus. Taste to look up on that. Oh! Hello! Oh, better bring that one down. I think this is Canazei here. No, Pena. Whatever that is. Never heard of it. Well, I can't remember, I should say. Sorry about all the noise. This bloody plastic jacket flapping around. Cavalletto. We just stopped and we've stripped off. Yeah, have a look at those formations in the background. Lovely little town. Lots of pizzerias and gelaterias. I'll give me a gelato, bugger it. Oh, nice church. Beautiful, glorious flowers. That's quite nice, very nicely done. Nice church. Looks like we have to turn back, possibly. Oh, hang gliders! Hang gliders! Up there. Look at the hang gliders. You see them up there? There's 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. 10 hang gliders. And there's a few more over there as well. Hang gliders right up there on the ridge too. Well, they chairlifts. There's the hang gliders right up there. I'm trying to see what those are over there. More chairlift, hang gliders, I mean. Fedaia Sella Valdefieme. Beautiful place, Valdefieme. Car behind me. And we're pulling in here. Allora, mangiare dove si ferma? Got those flowers. Have a look at different colours here. Pareda. This is Canazei. C-A-N-A-Z-E-I, I think, Canazei. Oh yeah, I remember this one. Rita. Jesus, some serious mountain bikers had body arm. I'm just going to do a quick loop. Quick loop. Around the town. Check out the flowers. Some of the scenery. Some beautiful scenery around. Nice buildings, hey? They're seeing the spot back there. I think we've stopped there in the past before. Isn't it glorious, glorious? So beautiful. Including some of the two-legged scenery, but... and Michele. And there's the Brenta Bestia, Giorgio. We're now going to be tackling some of the Pordoi. Then we're going to Sella, Gardena, and then Corvara and La Villa. I remember this road from 2003, and so far so good. Ciao, David. We'll see David later. I'm going to stop and adjust my shoes in a minute. Feel a bit loose. Passo Fedaia and Sella, and then there's Gardena. Sella and Gardena are major skiing locations here in Italy. When I went back to get my spare tube, I took the opportunity to put on more sun cream. I definitely could use a 34 chain ring and a 29. We'll get a view of Canazei in a moment. Oops. So far so good. 8-9%. Damn hot. Be high 20 degrees. Here they come. It's a gradient. All up, waiting for ready. Have a look at this. I took a photo of that in 2003 or 7. Beautiful, look at it. Wonderful. Goody, it's that hard. Go away. Hard yakka.